Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Shopify. First of all, you need to go to the settings. In the menu, you need to find payments. And then you will see this button right here, choose a provider. You need to click it and you need to choose one of the provider from the list. There are different providers, for example, Payoneer. You need to click it and you will link your payment provider to your Shopify account. So once you will make a sale, your money automatically will be transferred to this provider. Also, there is another way. You can link your PayPal also to your Shopify account. You need to go back to payments and you will see this section right here, which is called PayPal. You need to click activate PayPal and you will be redirected to your PayPal account where you need to enter your PayPal credentials and you will link your PayPal account to your Shopify. And also there is another way, guys. For example, if you want to set up any manual payment method, for example, Cash App, you need to click this button right here, manual payment methods, manual payment method, create a custom payment method, and you need to enter all of the details. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.